In my podcast today, Nishi's Notions, so I have a wonderful guest today, her brand, commercials, and music videos, along with being a motivational speaker too. She's an amazing host and now an image consultant too. I would love to introduce my favorite guest, Sabina Pasha. Sabina, how are you?
I'm very well. I'm so happy to be here.
I don't have words. कि कहाँ से start हुआ? You have 600
I
fashion.
think I was 15 when I did my first show, and then it was out of passion. My mother loved this field. She was an artist as well, and I think my first walk, I remember her smile and
And you fulfilled her dream.
rich experience with fashion and beauty, and this is the reason that now I started my own image consultancy, where I teach everybody to have their confidence built up to such a level that they're comfortable with who they are. I enhance their beauty, build their confidence, elevate their lifestyle, and give them the right connections for the right path of their business.
So exactly, I was going to ask you about Sabina Connects.
Yes.
It's your baby brand.
If I to say, okay, I'm not the gowns that you see me wear, or the hair that you see, or the skin that I have. I am inside, but just a soul. And Nishi, there comes a point in life where you need to know how to give that relaxation or support to the restlessness of your soul.
Absolutely.
And for me, I knew that I had this gift. Why don't I convert it into helping generation to feel confident, to feel beautiful, and to have a legacy of their own? Sabina Connects is all about connecting yourself to your true essence. And I think people get lost in trying to please so many people and cater to so many things in life that they lose any idea of who they are and what makes them happy.
Their own inner self. One word for feelings.
उसमें आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है. I think that's not one word, but I think for me feelings are everything. We have courses for starting from 1 month to 3 months, and in that the first thing Nishi is about communication. It's not about I get a client in, and they're not just young clients. They're mothers who children, who have their children in universities and they have nothing much to do, and they've just felt that they've let go of themselves. So I bring them over and then we have this conversation. So for me, the best thing about Sabina Connects is that I communicate with people, I communicate with my clients, because everybody has a story that has damaged or dented them, and they're just holding on to it, and uski wajah se, everything's falling apart. So I start everything with telling them about my falls on the stage, about my alopecia where I lost half a head of hair with stress. So I tell them all the stories which people do not
That
expect me to
motivates
say.
others.
Yes, and then they say that, oh, maybe our story isn't so bad, and maybe she won't judge it. So the minute they tell their story, they let it go. And that's where I jump in and tell them that, as long as you're breathing and you have another day, it's going to be okay. And Megatha Nishi, you come alone in the world, you go alone, but while you're here in the world, you're really not alone. So if you close yourself up after incidents or dents in your life and you just let go of yourself, I think that's the biggest sin that you can do to your soul and to your body.
So Sabina, how they can connect, like going to your Instagram, to going to your website? So
They can message me on Insta, they can message me
What
on
is your
Facebook. And it's Sabina Pasha 17, and my email is sabina.connects@gmail.com.
It was lovely.
Thank you.
Keep watching Nishi's Notions.